In method specifications, the owner prescribes to the contractor the construction procedures and materials to be used in executing the project. The owner inspects and monitors the contractor's adherence to these specifications throughout the construction processes. The idea behind method specifications is that if the contractor follows the prescription given by the owner, then the work product has a high probability, if not a sure bet, of being accepted by the agency and a good probability of performing well in service. Currently, method specifications are the predominant specification type used in the United States highway construction industry.
A method specifications example is a client providing a recipe that includes all the ingredients and step-by-step procedures to make a cake. The cake is cooked as per their instructions. This is analogous to an owner, like a state DOT, providing the contractor with prescriptive specifications regarding a highway project. In this setup, the owner has to monitor the execution of work by implementing quality control and quality assurance procedures throughout the construction processes. This places more risk on the owner, because if the cake tastes bad, then it wouldn't be the baker's fault. He was just following directions.
Contrary to method specifications, performance specifications are not as commonly utilized in the industry. They are specifications that use quantified quality characteristics and life cycle cost relationships correlated to product performance. So instead of the owner prescribing to the contractor how to construct the project, they just provide them with thresholds and requirements. Performance characteristics may include items such as pavement smoothness or strength, bridge deck cracking or corrosion, and/or embankment slope stability. The contractor has to meet these requirements by whatever means they see appropriate.
With performance specifications, there is no recipe, but the required results are specified. For example, a 2-tier tasty chocolate frosted cake. The baker could use any selected ingredients and methods to make the cake. This leaves more room for the baker to experiment with new ingredients and new methods. It's similar to an owner setting, where there are certain performance criteria for the contractor to meet, with freedom to meet these criteria however they like. However, this places more risk on the contractor, in this case, the baker. If the cake tasted bad, then it's his fault.
How do you want it down? Don't try to tell me what to do. How do you want it down? Don't try to tell me what to do.
Don't consider the camera.
I'll do what the fuck I want, I'm afraid. Don't tell me what to do.
The next clip demonstrates an example of method specifications. James Bond specifies to the bartender exactly how to prepare his drink and what ingredients to use.
Dry martini.
Oui, monsieur.
Wait. 3 measures of Gordon's, 1 of vodka, half a measure of quinoa lily, shake it over ice, and then add a thin slice of lemon peel.
Yes, sir.
For performance specifications, the bartender is left to make the drink as he wishes, according to Bond's standards. Fortunately, Bond liked the end result. Shaken, not stirred.
Vodka martini. Shaken or stirred? Do I look like I give a damn? You know, that's not half bad.
The movie Rat Race shows an example of performance specifications. Each of the 6 participating teams used a different means of transportation to get to the money. If this was to be a method specification example, then they would have a certain mode of transportation assigned to them, and they would be given detailed directions on how to reach their destination. Specifying the target and allowing the contestants to determine and choose their own strategy to get to the destination is analogous to what owners do with contractors in a performance specification approach. Word to the wise, just because performance specifications are used doesn't necessarily guarantee quality final products.
Out of my way. I got a road to finish. He's done! Done? It's only been an hour.
I'm done. Look, I'm finished. Just say thank you and I'll be on my way. That's all you gotta say.
Woo-hoo! I'm the first one on the new road!
It looks awful.